This video illustrates how to replace the headlight lens on a 1999 to 2005 BMW 3 Series. Remember to work safe and work smart. Work in a well-ventilated area and protect yourself from injury at all times. Before beginning, consult your owner's manual or the appropriate repair manual for your vehicle.
The procedure you're about to see was done on a 2001 E46 Touring with halogen headlamps. 2002 and later E46 cars have a different headlight and side marker configuration. First thing we need to do is remove the side marker lamp. Insert a screwdriver into the hole in the fender to release the marker lamp retaining clip. Press down on the tab while sliding the lamp housing straight out. Here is the tab you want to release through the hole in the fender. Disconnect the harness connector and place the housing aside. Okay, so now we're going to take the headlight lens assembly out of the car. And the only tool you're going to need to do that is an 8mm nut driver. There are 4 screws that need to be removed. 2 on the top, 1 in the back that's easily seen, and 1 down deep on the inside of the headlight that's not so easy to see. Here I'm taking out the last corner screw. After fully loosening the screw, use a magnetic tool to grab the screw and pull it out. Now that all the screws are released, gently pull on the inner corner of the headlight so the assembly is free from its mounts. The last step to getting the headlight out is to release the painted trim piece where it clips to the fender. To do this, I like to use a pocket screwdriver to release the clip. Pry the top of the clip out gently and carefully slide the trim away from the fender. Disconnect the headlight connectors. Remove the assembly from the car, being careful not to scratch the bumper. Here's a close-up of the clip of the painted trim piece you want to release at the fender. The tab on the fender locks in here. Use a pocket screwdriver to pry out on the clip just enough to unlock it from the fender. Now we're going to remove the painted trim from the bottom of the headlight assembly. Using a screwdriver, release the clip on the inboard corner of the trim. Release the additional clip on the outer end and pull straight off. Now we'll remove the weather strip from the top of the headlight. Working across the strip, pry loose the 5 clips one by one and remove the weather strip piece from the headlight. Finally, it's time to remove the lens. There are 7 tabs along the perimeter of the headlight assembly to release. Pry each one up gently to avoid breaking the clips. When all the top clips are released, try to get the lens free from its gasket. Turn the headlight over and pry the remaining 3 tabs free. Pull the lens from the headlight. Prior to installing the lens, you want to check that the gasket is in good condition and properly positioned in the headlight housing. Clean the new lens using a lint-free cloth. Check that the reflectors are also clean. Install the new lens. Simply snap it into position, making sure all tabs are fully engaged. Then reinstall the weather strip. Now we're going to snap the painted trim piece back onto the headlight assembly. Position the two end clips. Snap it into position. Make sure it's firmly seated.
Open.
Installation of the headlight is the reverse of removal. Be sure to check the fitment by closing the hood prior to fully tightening the mounting screws. Reinstall the side marker housing by connecting the electrical connector and sliding it into place. Be sure to check headlight alignment once installation is complete.
Feedback or questions? Visit our online tech forums or our online technical library at bentleypublishers.com.